While Google's trending searches features aims to keep you informed about popular and current events, there are several compelling reasons why you might choose to disable it in Chrome for a more focused and private browsing experience. Let's get started. Go to address bar and type search settings. Now hit enter and you will find the first option, Google search settings. Click on search settings Google. On upper right corner, click on sign in. Sign in to your Google account and then on left pane, click on other settings and scroll down. Here you will find autocomplete with trending search. Just turn it off. Trending search in my Google Chrome browser is turned off right now.